मैं ये आपका रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ। एक सर द एलिगेशंस जो रोहिणी आचार्य कर रही हैं, कई तरह की उन्होंने चीजें ट्विटर पे बोली हैं, स्लीपर फेंका गया उन पे, उनको कहा गया कि उन्होंने गंदी किडनी लालू प्रसाद जी को दे दी। इस पे क्या प्रतिक्रिया करोगे आपकी? क्या हो रहा है लालू परिवार में?
देखिए, फैमिली में फाइनेंशियल डीलिंग करने वाले कोई और हो गए और उसके कारण ही ये सब हो रहा है। संजय इनडायरेक्टली वहां के हो गए, पर ये उनका अपना फैमिली का प्रॉब्लम है। उससे भी बड़ी बात है कि किस तरह से आप एक फैमिली जो कि बिहार के प्रमुख परिवार में है, उसमें इस तरह की घटिया बेटियों के साथ करना बहुत ही दुखद भी है और बताता है कि बातें पहुंच चुकी हैं और ये बहुत शर्मनाक भी है। और जिस तरह से कार्यकर्ताओं को ट्रीट करते थे, अब अपने परिवार को उसी ट्रेनिंग करते हैं।
और जायसवाल जी पूरा
कभी अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को अपने नौकर से ऊपर नहीं करता। आज के समय में मैं देख रहा हूँ कि परिवार को भी तरह का कर रहा है।
और जायसवाल जी पूरा बीजेपी का तो कैंपेन ही जंगल राज के इशू पे था कि महिलाएं सेफ नहीं हैं बिहार में। अगर आरजेडी वापस आती है तो ये तो घर की ही महिला आप ऐसे जब इल्जाम लगाती हैं तो ये दिख रहा है क्या कि फैमिली में कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा है? पहले तेज प्रताप, अब रोहिणी आचार्य।
पहली घटना तो है नहीं, पहले भी लोगों ने ऐश्वर्या के साथ जिस तरह से बिहेव किया, बिहार यादव वह सदस्य थे, राय पूर्व ग्रैंड डॉटर थी और इस तरह से आ गया। तो इस घर में बहुओं का पहले किया गया, बेटी किया जा रहा है, परंतु यह
Okay, so this was Sanjay Jaiswal. You know, Aman, the BJP, of course, is going to flaunt this as a big issue. Of course, they're going to draw comfort in the discomfort of the RJD. But when that stock-taking meeting takes place on 17th, how difficult will it be for Tejaswi Yadav to remain silent on all these allegations which have made against him?
Pallavi, it's going to be a tough task. Number one, that you have been completely decimated in this election. The RJD may still be the single largest party by terms of votes or vote share, but it's reduced to just 25 seats. That speaks of how bad maybe their candidate selection also was, in which it is said a key role was played by Sanjay Yadav. So that is also exposing a lot, that a lot of introspection is required by the RJD. You know, they may come up with certain excuses, but it is very, very clear that their seat distribution was wrong, their candidate selection was wrong, and that has resulted in this big, big defeat. You know, Asaduddin Owaisi winning 5 seats in Simhanchal, hurting the RJD. So even amongst your core Yadav and Muslim voters, there seems to be a big time desertion this time. Either the Yadav voter has gone to the NDA, the Muslim voter may have opted for Mr. Owaisi in certain seats. This is very, very damaging for the RJD's future. And you know, look at what Sanjay Jaiswal is telling us from the BJP. He's saying what Rohini Acharya is exposing is extremely shameful and sad. He said the RJD has made tall claims that they will improve the safety and security of women if they want, but look what they have done to their own daughter inside their own home. And Sanjay Jaiswal, they are telling us that this is not the first time. Earlier, the ex-wife of Lalu Prasad's elder son, Tej Pratap, Aishwarya, he says, look at how she was treated. She was thrown out of the house. Aishwarya had gone to court to seek a divorce from Tej Pratap and launched all sorts of allegations, not just against Tej Pratap, but against the entire Lalu family. So the BJP is now saying that the rot inside the Lalu family is deep. Sanjay Jaiswal, they're telling us, first it was Aishwarya, now it is Rohini. Both have come out and spoken against the family. It is high time that the Lalu family comes out clean on how they are treating the woman inside their house. Are they giving the respect to the daughter? Are they giving the respect to the former daughter-in-law? That is what the BJP's charge is. And BJP fought this entire election on the issue of safety of women, to not bring back Jungle Raj. And Sanjay Jaiswal, they're telling us that the real Jungle Raj is actually happening inside Lalu Prasad's home.
Okay. And Brij Mohan, how long will it be possible? I mean, now all eyes are going to be on Lalu Prasad Yadav, because there's a real factor. Is there a possibility of a split within the RJD? I don't know. I mean, you would know this better. But do you think this will force Lalu or Rabri Devi to step in to keep the party together?
When Lalu Yadav and Rabri Devi are with Tejaswi Yadav, party is one. There is no doubt about it. Party is one, RJD is one, because Tejaswi Yadav, he inherited political legacy of Lalu Yadav. but there is a virtual rift within the party. Tej Pratap Yadav has already spoken against. He has formed his party, and after that, Rohini has walked out of Lalu house. So there is clear rift within the party. But if you talk about political division of the party, that seems to be impossible as of now, because Tejaswi Yadav has support of all the MLAs of the party and all the big leaders of the party. But there are veterans within the party. They have been talking about the role Sanjay Yadav played in the distribution of the seats, and the kind of dealing he gave to the party members, to the senior leaders. That is yet to be considered. That is yet to be seen, because most of the senior leaders, they opposed Sanjay Yadav, but not so openly, Pallavi, as of now.
Absolutely. So we'll have to wait to see who blinks first, who rebuts first. Sanjay Yadav, Tejaswi Yadav, will it be Rabri? Thank you so much to both Aman as well as Brij Mohan for getting us all these details. But there's Manoj Tiwari also who has reacted. Let's listen in to him.
अब देखिए, वैसे इसमें बड़ा बहुत बोलना बनता नहीं है, मगर ये जरूर दिख रहा है कि जिन लोगों ने पूरे बिहार को चलाने के सपने देख रहे थे, वो परिवार भी नहीं चला पा रहे। रोहिणी आचार्य ने बहुत सारी बात कल मैं सुन रहा था, बहुत ही आपत्तिजनक। सवाल पूछने पे चप्पल से पिटाई हो सकती है, सवाल पूछने पे आपको घर से बाहर निकाला जा सकता है। ये कहीं न कहीं उस मानसिकता का परिचायक है जिस जंगल राज के लिए पूरा शासन जाना जाता था। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं इन लोगों की अंदरूनी समस्याएं ठीक